I am Dr. Navrattan and I did my MBBS from Amritsar Medical College. First of all, I would like to thank Sir for encouraging us to do. I never thought that I will come here and study this subject because I have my own ideas, like I want to do MD. But when I searched from websites, I found that there is some coaching classes. Then I joined this and I came to know that the classes are being held in Delhi. So I came here. It's my pleasure to attend these classes. I'm very thankful. The thing that I like in these lectures, the mnemonics.
In contrast, in the solid structure matter, but it's a single solid structure. And once again, I'm writing, forget a single solid, stacked positive matter. In a vertical line study now, cerebral lymph, and this is negative.
It's awesome and it's very amazing and it's very helpful. So from my side, I'm encouraging other persons also to come and join and also study or attend the lecture at least once. So I'm very thankful to Sir and SsAcademy, and it's my pleasure to have these classes.